Alright, so we're in the garage for a Saturday night, and I just wanted to show a really quick and easy way to organise my cords running down the wall. Now I've installed a cheap little heater just to get me through. It's not going to keep the whole entire garage warm, but it'll keep me warm enough if I'm standing in front of it. But what I've done is I've 3D printed these little clips, and they just organise the cable down the wall. And here's one now. You can see it's just got a little hole for a screw. The top's been beveled, and there's a little cutout for the cord. Cost basically peanuts to make, and you can see how effective it is. So I'm just going to continue down the wall till I get to about here, tidy this section up, and then I'm going to tidy one of these cords up that is running to that side. But super easy and effective. It just snaps on. Well, I probably won't be able to snap it on with the brim on there, but they just snap on, screw into the wall, and that's it. It just saves the cord just dangling down here out of the way. So yeah, super simple, cost effective. It's way easier than just running to the hardware shop and buying them when you have a 3D printer and you can print them. I'm actually printing one now. There's my tool board, and that's pretty much what that side's going to look like. It's a new addition to the garage, just trying to organise things. So that's going to start printing. I've also got my chuck key done, my live center. They're going to be mounted over here as well. But yeah, no, everything's coming together. It's trying to get organised. So that's Saturday night in here. That's what I'm up to. Definitely not really anything too exciting, but just trying to get things sorted so I can walk in here and things are not just all over the place. So yeah, that's it. How to like manage your wires, your extension cord, anything like that on the cheap, and it's cost effective.